Good morning. So today is Thursday and I am just having my first meal. It doesn't look so good, but it actually tastes better than it looks. It's oats and a scoop of protein powder and spinach and some egg whites. I put in like 6 tablespoons of egg whites and some salt and stevia. And then on top of it's a little bit of cookie butter and my Lily's dark chocolate. All right, I'm gonna eat this and then I will see you at the gym.
I begin to
Hi guys, I just got done with my leg workout and we did another glute focused workout today, a lot of booty building moves, so it was a lot of fun, painful but fun. I had my check-in yesterday and I'm really excited because starting today I have to be eating a lot more. My macros have gone up and so I'm going to be doing 166 protein, 130 from cardio. I did about 6,900 steps and then I did 3 sets of abs. I was supposed to do 10 sets, but I didn't get that far because I just really didn't feel like doing it. And now I'm having a post-workout meal. I'm trying to save my protein and fats because I'm going out with my husband tonight and we're probably gonna have Korean barbecue. So I'm trying to work, play around with my macros so I could save most of it for that meal. I had a whole video edited of last week and it got deleted. So somehow I'm so disappointed. I'm gonna try to recover that and see if I can get those clips back together. But yeah, but let me show you what I have here. I just have some turkey deli meat with a Hawaiian sweet roll and these sour cream and onion rice crisp and some spinach and sugar-free peppercorn dressing. It's the G. Hughes dressing. And I added some of the deli meat to my salad because I couldn't fit it all in that one little bun. But I'm gonna eat this really quick. Gone. I ate this so fast. I was so hungry. But yeah, I forgot that I was supposed to update you guys on my new macros. I know that clip that I was trying to record earlier this week got cut off. But yeah, so my new macros, I had a check-in on Wednesday, and my macros have been changed to 166 protein, 133 carbs, and 40 fat, which has been awesome. That's a lot of protein and a lot of carbs. I don't think I've had that many carbs in a really long time. So I feel like the last 2 days I've just been busy eating. I've been eating a lot more, and it's just, I feel a lot better since I'm eating, and my weight went up before the check-in, and I think it was because my metabolism was starting to slow down. So we're hoping that by upping my carbs and my macros, it'll help me, it'll help my metabolism. I've been on these new macros for 2 days, and I checked my weight and I already lost 2 pounds. So that's a good feeling. And last night I was putting my kids to bed, and I put my youngest, my 5-year-old, down, and he wanted me to lay with him for a little bit. It was around 8:45. Well, I ended up falling asleep, and I slept through the whole night, and I woke up at 8 this morning. So I slept almost 12 hours. So I feel like $1,000,000 right now, and I feel so good. And my coach always emphasizes that, of how it's so important to sleep and rest, and he really wants me to have rest days, like on weekends, to be able to sleep in if I can. And it just makes the world of a difference. I feel so much better mentally too. So sleep is key. We're gonna have Korean barbecue. I'll try to show you a clip of that tonight. But other than that, I think I might just close out this week with this video. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next.